In this video, we're going to look at how to use MDF DoorCAD to create tool sets to create any style MDF door you want. Let's pull down our layers manager that's found inside RouterCAM or RouterCAD. I'm going to turn on the panel bit. Panel bit is typically the first tool used to create like an MDF door. If you're doing like a raised panel style door, it's going to come in and just cut into the MDF as it goes around the door and creates the panel. Then the other tools are used in conjunction with that to create the profile you want. So I'll turn off the panel bit and we'll go up and turn on the round over bit. It can be an OG bit, a round over, it can be a straight bit. Any type of an inside profile you want on your door, you can just run the tool and it's user defined offsets. And like I said, this is a 1/4 inch round over. So that'll give you your second step in creating an MDF door. We'll turn that off and we'll go up and look at the cleanup bits. Typically the last tool used to clean up the edges of the door. It's just going to go around and put a small little radius on all the inside corners and clean up the tool so it looks like a painted door, 5-piece door. It gives a real small radius. Again, you can use a V bit, a 45 bit, a 60-degree bevel. You can use a lot of different bits to create different effects like that. And we'll turn back on the I'll turn off the tools. There's your door profiles without the tools. We'll turn back on the tools. And I'll go down and scroll down here and find my panel bit and turn that back on. So there's your tool sets and the way they're used in conjunction to create an MDF door. So you can create any style of a door you want, define the rail styles, whatever you need to do. We'll go back here real quickly and I'll just turn back off the tools so you can see the results of the tools and what they've done. So you can create shaker, raised panel, wide variety of doors. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it.